I'm gonna be trying to make slime blindfolded. Let's get on to the video. Okay, I have my blindfold on and I cannot see anything, but there's the glue. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, I gotta find my bowl. I don't know how much is gonna come out. I don't even know if it's pouring. Nope, it's pouring. Okay, make sure that's staying. Okay, I'm gonna go for a color now. I think I want like a green and like, I think I'm gonna go for a green. I'm gonna say that this is green. And, oh. Did I even add anything? Okay, there. Okay, now I'm gonna, what is this? Oh, the baking soda. Okay. Wait, where's my bowl? Okay. I don't know if that was too much.
Okay, where's my spoon? I don't know how much of a mess I'm making. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay. I can't open this. Alright, I think it's coming together. Not coming together. Oh, I added a lot of glue. Okay, now I just need to put this in. How much do I need? Did I ever baking soda this? Let me add some more bakes. Okay, I added some baking soda.
And I'm gonna take
Spit it out. Please don't tell me that just fell on the ground. Because I think it sounded like it just fell on the ground.
Ew, this feels weird. I don't know how to do this. Okay. I think it's coming together. Hopefully it's not like a really ugly color. Okay. Actually, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Okay, I think I'm gonna open my eyes. There. Right. The baking soda spilled on the floor.
Okay, I'll clean that later.
It's not green, but it's kind of a good color. I mean, yeah, it's a good color. I did surprisingly well, I think. Yeah. You get it pokes, and you know the color's pretty light, but like it's pretty good. Yeah, it's actually